You have to open your mind when it comes to new ideas. You have to understand exactly how you perform and how do you go over the downturns that happens in your life. Because one idea have the power and the capability to change everything. And once you know that power and that capability that lies within you, you will be able to understand how to go over the suffering, and you will be able to know exactly your potentials, and you will know how to excel in life and move in a different direction. You can revolutionize your life and change everything. This requires a lot of hard work, and it requires a lot of attention on the positivity and on the way that can lead you towards a better life and can help you and support you to support everyone around you. And it requires a lot of courage to do that and to be able to take yourself from where you are to wherever you want to lead your life to.